Okay. So, dear student, let's start studying. And tomorrow you are going to have your test for the chemical equations and reactions for light as a light, and the third chapter is life process. So, is there any specialized topic that you want to study?
Can we revise the chapter?
You will revise it, but first of all, I want to ask you that is there any specialized topic that you want to study and you are getting stuck? No? बोलिए. You
No,
know.
sir.
No.
Okay, so let's practice the important exemplar questions for that so that you will be able to learn that one. Okay, so just a minute. Give me 2 or 3 minutes. First, we will deal with the NCERT exemplar MCQs, and then after we shall be moving toward the very important questions of that chapter. Okay, that will be the subjective questions. So I will start scrolling it up, and I think we have practiced these questions earlier also. Or yes, we have practiced these questions earlier also. I know that we have practiced this one. Sure, I'm sure that we have already practiced this question, but many of you were having problem in this one and you were getting stuck. There are only 10 to 20. How many questions are there in MCQ? There are 10. There are just 18 questions, okay? Not more than that. And that you can do easily. So 18 questions first MCQ will go through that one because you are having many questions in your that you are getting stuck. So let's deal today also again. If you are still getting stuck, then let me clear your doubts also. Okay. So start doing question number 1 and 2. It will you because you have already done that one, so you can easily do that one now. So start doing question number 1 and 2. Write only the answers. If A has option A, correct option A, then write only A. And if second is B, then write B. Don't write any options. Don't write any questions. Do it. When you've done second and third, then let me. Okay. Everybody clear?
Yes, sir. Sir, we have to type the answers.
Are you saying something?
Should we write the answers in chat?
Why?
No, I was asking.
No, no, no. Not write answers in chat. Only write in your copy. We'll check it that how many of yours are incorrect. We'll show you the answer, then you have to check it by your own. Okay.
Okay.
Do it fast.
Sir, can you scroll?
Sir, can you show the first one again?
What are you saying?
Sir, can you show the first one again?
We'll show you last. First, you have done third and fourth. Everyone done third and fourth.
Yes.
Is there still anyone doing third and fourth?
No, sir.
So five.
Can you scroll, sir?
Done up to eight. Maria,
Yes.
Arvina, Zainab, everyone done?
Sir, I'm doing eighth
Yes.
one.
Do the 8.
Sir, done.
Done? 9 and 10?
Yes. Sir,
Yes,
I'm
sir.
doing the 10th one. Done, sir.
Done 12, 13, 11, 12, 13. Done?
Doing the 13 one. Done, sir.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Do 16 and 17, please.
Can you show the 18th one?
Yeah.
Okay. Do 18 one. This is the last question. Huh? Do it fast.
Sir, after this, can you show question 1 to 4 again?
Yeah, I will.
Okay, sir.
अच्छा. 24 hours, just to 7. Done, everyone. Question number 18.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Look. Mariam, check it. 1 and 2.
Sir, can you show fourth one?
Done?
Sir, fourth one. Sir, done.
Okay, everyone. किसी को, is there anyone still want to see any questions up to 18? Is there anyone who wants to see any question again? Zainab, Ayan, everyone. Abdul Kavi, done?
Done.
Yes, sir.
Just done. Just please check your answers from here and let me know how many of them are incorrect.
Done.
Okay, done, everyone?
1 minute.
Yes. Okay, do it.
Done.
Oh, you done all. So tell me that one thing here. That how many questions of yours are incorrect? Yes, Mariam.
2, 16 and 8.
Mariam, just a minute. Okay. Yes, Mariam, 2, 2, 15 and 8. Okay,
No,
next.
16 and 8. Yeah.
Yes, others. Alvina.
I got 3 wrong.
Okay, how many? Which one?
First question, 12th one and 17th one.
Ayan. Ayan.
Yes, I
Any of
got
yours?
3 wrong.
Which one? Which one?
16,
Okay.
8, and 17.
Okay, the common questions. Yes. Zainab, how many of yours are incorrect?
I got 2 wrong.
Okay. Which one?
16 and 8.
16 and 8. Abdul Kavi? Abdul Kavi? So 16, 8, 1, 12 and 17. 16, 8, 1, 12 and 17. So which of the following is not a physical change? Not means indirectly you have to tell the chemical change.
D.
Boiling water is a physical change. You know that when we are boiling the water, it is still water. Its formula does not change. Melting of ice is also a physical change because when you are having ice, whether it is melting or freezing or its formula is H2, it does not change. Dilutions of salt in water is also considered to be as a physical change because you can easily separate it by evaporation. Combustion of liquefied petroleum gas. When you are burning up LPG or any gas, you see that large amount of heat is being produced and it gives you carbon dioxide and water. So simple combustions is D is the correct option. Okay. And after this one, you have 12 incorrect.
Sir, I have a doubt. For the fourth question, won't A option also be correct?
Which of the following is R exothermic? R
I
exothermic.
mean C. C. I
So
thought of
reaction
C also.
exothermic first reaction, the reaction with water quicklime is correct. It is an
Yes,
exothermic.
sir.
Dilution of acid is also exothermic.
What about sublimation of camphor?
So when you are sublimating, when you are providing heat, if you are not
Oh,
providing, you can, it will, any state when you are changing solid to liquid or liquid to gas or directly solid into gas, you are providing heat to it. So it is an endothermic, okay? So A is correct
okay.
option for
Yeah,
this.
yeah.
Next, after this fourth one is 12th is incorrect now.
8.
Eighth one. Which of the following statement is true for the exposures of silver chloride to sunlight? I told you this one in the previous class also that when we are just changing the silver into that silver in the sunlight, then it turns gray just due to the formation of silver because it is a decomposition reaction. Okay, because it is a decomposition reaction. So when we are just having this one, this AgCl, when you keep it in sunlight in the presence of UV rays, then it will get converted into Ag plus Cl2, chlorine gas. So this is gray in color. Now you know that chlorine is being removed from it, so silver chloride is being oxidized. Sorry, reduced. It is having +1 oxidation state here. That is 0. So +1 to 0 is reduction. So silver chloride is being reduced. And you see that, what are the options here? Just let me check it. It turns gray. First option, that's due, the formation of, it turns gray due to the formation of silver by the decomposition of silver chloride. The first option is correct. Second, it is not sublimation. It is not changing its state from like silver chloride when get converted directly into silver chloride in the gaseous state. So state is not changing. It is decomposing. It is getting converted into silver, which is solid, and chlorine gas. It is not sublimation. So second option is absolutely incorrect. Sublimation is not. It is a physical process, but it is a chemical reaction. So sublimation is physical. It is a chemical reaction which it is being decomposed. So second option is absolutely incorrect. The third option, if I'm talking here, is that decomposition of chlorine gas from silver chloride. So chlorine gas is not decomposing. Chloride ion is actually the whole silver chloride is getting decomposed. So the second option is also incorrect. And the oxidation of silver chloride. So silver chloride is not getting oxidized. It is getting reduced. Or moreover, we are not saying that silver chloride. When we are having a compound, at least we must have two compounds here. So silver chloride is not getting reduced. Okay. Sorry, oxidation of silver chloride is not taking place. Not taking place. Actually, it is getting reduced. Silver chloride is getting reduced because you see that it is having -1 and it is going to 0. So it is getting oxidized. Oxidation. So according to, if we take the chloride ion, it is getting oxidized and it is getting reduced. So silver chloride is not getting reduced, not it is getting oxidized. It is getting both. So specifically, we cannot go through it. Okay, understood?
Yes.
Silver is going from +1 to 0 oxidation state. Its oxidation state decreases, so it is getting reduced. When chloride ion is getting from -1 to 0, its oxidation state is increasing from -1 to 0, so it is oxidation. So since it is a single compound, so it is not a two compounds on the reactant side. So we cannot say that which one is oxidizing and reduced. Both, only the silver chloride is oxidizing as well as reduced. So we will simply say here that this option for saying that silver chloride is only getting oxidized, no, it is not. So it is also getting reduced. So that's why the option third is also in fourth option is also incorrect. So only the one option will consider it as a correct option. Understood?
Yes.
And then after this one is 16th one. 12th one also, no? This, ये नहीं आता. हम्म. अरे भाई, 12th one किसका गलत हुआ? 12th one में, if we have H2 plus O2. So when we are decomposing a water molecule, you will say that you will find H2 plus O2. But if you balance this one, you will find that you will have the ratio of 2 hydrogen. The ratio of 2 is to 1. Simple, 2 times hydrogen gas and one time oxygen gas.
Sir, this is
Is the
11th
ratio.
one.
So simply we'll say that during the existence of water, the mole of the ratio for hydrogen gas to the liberation of oxygen gas is hydrogen is 2 is to 1. Got it? B is the correct
Sir,
option.
sir, that is 11th one.
I'm just playing 11th one. I'm just sorry for that one. Which of the following is endothermic process? So endothermic means energy is being supplied. So तुम्हें पता है कि dilution of acids are exothermic process. Even though we have a question over it that while diluting an acid, we should add acid to water, but not water to acid. Okay. So it is an exothermic process. The first option is incorrect. Sublimation, any sublimation process is endothermic because we are just changing solid to liquid, sorry, solid to gas. So we need, if we are not supplying heat, it, like for example, you have solid carbon dioxide, it's having -50 degree, -30 degree temperature. So when it comes in the contact with the atmospheric gases, which is having a temperature of 30 degree, 20 degree, so it is much higher than its solid state temperature. So we will start absorbing the heat from that atmosphere. So it is absorbing the heat to get converted from solid to directly into gas. So this is very simple that if something is solidified and is getting converted into gaseous, it must absorb energy. Whether it is absorbing, whether you are supplying it heat on the burner by keeping it on the burner, or whether it will absorb the heat from the surrounding and in turn it cool the surrounding. That is very simple. Okay, to dry ice means carbon dioxide, solid carbon dioxide. It is an endothermic process. It will absorb the heat. So second option is there. Condensation, whenever you know that A to B, if a reaction is going from A to B, and if it is exothermic, so it's vice versa, B to A will be endothermic. So you know that if I'm saying condensation of water vapor, so simply you know that it will release the heat, because you know that if we are just converting water into vapor, then it absorb the heat, we supply the heat. So when water vapor condense again to vapor, it reverse, it will be released, it will release the heat. So it will hot that way. So simply it is an release of heat, it is an exothermic process. Evaporation of water, when we are just evaporating the water, converting into liquid, from liquid to gaseous state, then it will be absorbing the heat from the burner, and it will simply, or not from the burner, it might absorb the heat from the surroundings, it might absorb the heat from the sunlight, it might absorb the heat, wind speed heat or wind heat. So anyway, which are helping the rate of evaporation, will simply say that they are giving the energy to the particles of water, and it will help it to remove. Okay, so the first and fourth option is absolutely correct. So first and fourth, ah, endothermic, na, evaporation of water is first and fourth is not there. Sorry, first and no, first is exothermic.
Second and fourth.
Second and fourth. Second and fourth. Okay, so second and fourth are the correct options. Then after this one, we have the 16th one as incorrect one. So which of the following is involve the chemical reactions? अरे यार इसमें क्यों तुम लोग कर रहे हो गड़बड़? Chemical reaction समझ में नहीं आया?
The liquefaction of air is chemical, no?
Is it a chemical reaction?
Yeah.
So what
but-
about C?
We are having air. We are just liquefying it. It is still air. Does it change to some other? Liquefaction means you are changing the gaseous state of air into the liquid. So what does it do? Does it formula changes? No. If you are
Sir, but
having
C is
gas,
the chemical reaction.
so which of the following? Keeping petrol in open dish, it is not a chemical reactions.
But
Storing,
it will react with the moisture in the air and
no, it will get converted into the vapor. It will not
oh,
react with the moisture. Petrol
oh.
don't react with the moisture, even though if you add water to it, it will not react. Heating, why? So let your answer is, we have to choose one options now. Tell me that when you heat copper in the presence of air at high temperature, it will get converted to copper oxide. So D is the correct option. Okay.
Sir, 17th one.
17th one is the option D is correct. Why? Because it's reaction temperature. It is saying reaction temperature. So when you see that, like you see that if you are burning methane or butane gas, LPG gas, okay, in your burner, so like you have C2H6 or C4H10 is the butane gas, LPG gas that you have in your home in the LPG cylinders, and you are just burning it in the presence of oxygen. And if you are burning this one in the, you will get carbon dioxide in water. So when you are just burning that one, have you ever seen that this carbon dioxide or the water vapor there? Sorry, water in the liquid state. Do you find when your mother is cooking, so there is a water that is coming in the burner that is coming out during the reaction? Does it uh, settle down, or does it comes below the burner? No, because at reaction temperature, the reaction is so isothermic that the both of them are obtained in the gaseous state, and this will go into the vapor. This will also, sorry, this will go into the atmosphere. This will also goes into the atmosphere. Simple, you understood? So the reaction temperature both are at gaseous state. Okay, so we'll go through the options when you are burning.
Answer the 12th one.
D option is the correct one. Okay.
Okay.
Hydrogen gas, when burned in the presence of oxygen, it is so isothermic that the heat liberated out led the metal to obtain in the liquid is gaseous state. Okay. So you done, everyone? The one I'm going to tell you, the one which is carrying oxygen, the one which is carrying oxygen, it is considered to be as oxidizing agent. One which is having hydrogen, it is considered to be as reducing agent. And one thing, the one which is oxidizing agent, it is itself get reduced, and the one which is reducing agent, it is itself get oxidized. Okay, understood? Understood, everyone? Yes or
Yeah.
no?
Yes, sir.
Write down question number 21 and start finding the value of x, y, and in the following reactions to start doing fast.
Done.
Uh, just a minute. Okay, you done? Question number 21? 21, done?
No, sir.
Do it. And after doing 21, start doing 23. After doing 21, start doing question number 23.
Sir, done.
Done?
No.
We should do 23.
Start doing question number 23.
So we should do 22 as well, right?
No. Start doing question number 23 first. Then will help. Then okay, do question number 22 also, because you are getting stuck in exothermic and endothermic reactions. So do question number 23, 22, and 21. All the three questions. Do it fast.
Sir, can you show the question?
Do it, please.
I can't see the question.
I can't see the questions. Still, is it visible to you?
Yeah, now it's visible.
Sir, done.
Okay, just a minute. You done question number 21, 22, and 23, everyone? सबने कर लिया?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Did you check your answers? और उसके बाद जो गलत होंगे तो मुझे बताना, okay? 20, 21, 22, and 23's answer is here. So let you do it fast.
Sir, for 21B, can we just write AG?
What are you saying for question number 20? Can we write?
21B, can we write just AG?
No, we have to write the whole balancing power if it is being written there. So if it is the whole value is being, let me check what is it. 21B, 2AG. So complete the combination and write X and Y. No, you have to write 2AG, exactly 2AG.
Okay.
Because it is balanced now. Right. ये क्या बोला भाई? So please check the answers of others. Just a minute, let me share my screen. Let me know how many of yours are incorrect, okay?
Sir, can you scroll the 23rd answer? Sir, done.
I'm done.
Okay. So I'm asking here you that how many questions of yours are correct? कितने क्वेश्चन सही?
Sir, I got the 21st C wrong. No, B wrong because I only wrote AG and not 2AG.
Okay, इसके अलावा
Then 22nd question D.
D. Okay.
Yeah, I
Next.
wrote exothermic.
इसके अलावा
So that's it for me.
और अलवीना, अयान, जैनब,
Sir, I
Twenty.
got all three correct.
you got 3 correct. Others are incorrect. In 21.
21B, I wrote AG instead of 2AG. And then 23C, I wrote wrong.
इसके अलावा
Yeah, that's it.
अलवीना,
Yes, I got two wrong. Only in 21st question,
okay.
the B and C, and also in 23rd question, the C option.
Ayan, you?
Yes, sir, I
Ayan,
got all three correct.
others all are wrong.
Yes, sir, I got 21, 22, 23 correct.
You got all 3 correct, not a single incorrect.
Yes.
Okay, just a minute. So here we have 21, 22, and 23. So Mariam got stuck in question number 22D part. Dilutions of aluminum chloride in water. Dissolution of aluminum chloride in water. Ammonium chloride, na? So it is an
Yes, sir.
exothermic process or endothermic process?
Sir, I thought exothermic.
You got exothermic, but it is actually endothermic.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you clear?
Sir, but how?
Because when you are dissolving, dilutions of acid is exothermic actually, but ammonium
Yeah.
chloride or any salt, if you are even though if you are having sodium chloride also, when it is getting dissolved, it absorbs the heat from the surrounding and it is considered to be as endothermic reactions. Okay.
But C1 is exothermic. Sodium hydroxide. No.
हाँ, सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड का वाटर के साथ डिसोल्यूशन एक्सोथर्मिक होता है, ये चीज
Oh,
है, तो याद रखना है ये चीज थोड़ा सा। ओके।
okay, sir.
उसके बाद नेक्स्ट अगर हम बात करते हैं, नेक्स्ट वन इज दैट Fe2O3 प्लस कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड। सो यू नो दैट कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड you are getting oxygen. What is asking which is a reducing agent? So you see that it is having one oxygen. When you are having this one, it is having two oxygen. So addition of oxygen is oxidation. So one which is oxidized, it is reduced. So CO is reduced, reducing agent. समझ आया? समझ
Yes.
आया? Next question. Do question number 33.
Sir, how do you write acetate?
Okay, so dear students, I have not seen the time here, so that's do only one and uh, the third part. Okay, A and third part. Write down the A and the C part first.
So what do they mean by classify them?